Ma'am,
Yes.
fifth question.
Okay. Yes. Similarity you have to prove between two triangles.
Ma'am, I'm not getting how to prove both the triangles are like similar.
Yeah. One. And prove it. ABC right triangle, BD perpendicular to AC. BD is 8 centimeter. AD is 4 centimeter. Find CD. Okay. So we have to prove this triangle ABD and CDB. We have to prove similar. For this triangle, what we do? One, we have both 90 degrees, right? Then consider this as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is
90.
90,
angle 2 plus angle 3.
90.
90,
Both are equal, so we can equate them. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So angle 2 cancel. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. 1 of BDC triangle and 3 is of ABD triangle. The two angles are equal. And this is 90 of this triangle, 90 of that triangle. Both are equal. So this is 1. Therefore, in triangle ABD and triangle is ABD. So it is B is YC D BCD. Angle ADB is equal to angle BDC. Both are 90 degrees. And angle ABD, that is angle 3, is equal to angle 1, that is BCD. From 1. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle. Now, write properly. We have to write angle B of ABD is equal to C. So, middle place should be C. D is equal to D. Then B will come at the beginning. So, A is similarity. Then take the ratio. AB by BC is equal to BD by CD is equal to AD by BD. These two ratios cross multiply. BD square is equal to AD into CD. Final answer. 8 square by 4, 60. So CD is 60. For MCQs, you have to remember this statement. If in a right triangle, one angle is 90, sorry, it is a right triangle, and then from that angle, vertex, which is 90 degree, from that perpendicular is drawn to the hypotenuse, then that value square, so BD square is always equal to AD into CD. This statement you have to remember. BD square is equal to AD into CD. You are using it many places. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a 15th question doubt.
Okay. So level 1 first. Anyone has still question number 10 doubt?
No, ma'am.
11th, 12th,
No, ma'am.
15th directly. Others not solving.
Ma'am,
Homework.
I've solved. Ma'am, I've solved.
Sneha, now I'm not getting homework.
Mom, I sent it to you yesterday.
Sneha's, I'm not seeing. D and E are mirror points on the sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. AD is 8, DB is 12, E is 6, and C is 9. So that BC is 5 by 2 DE. So the ratios are equal. So therefore, D parallel to BC, right? AD is 8, DB 12. This is 6, this is 9. 4 twos are 4 threes are 3 threes, 3 twos are 3 threes are. That means the ratios are equal. So therefore, D parallel to BC. If D and BC are parallel, then ADE triangle and ABC triangle are similar. So therefore, AD by AB is equal to D by BC. AD is 8, AB is 20. That is equal to D by BC. 4 twos are 4 fives are. So 2BC is equal to 5DE. BC is equal to 5 by 2D.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Any other doubts? Anyone have?
Ma'am, I have even 13th doubt. 13th one.
Perimeter and side ratio. We need to know ratio proportionality part here.
Ma'am, even I have doubt on 13th one.
So if suppose A by B, ratio proportion. A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F. Ratios are equal. Consider that ratio as K. So A is equal to BK. C is equal to DK. And E is equal to F into K. Then ratio of A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F is equal to A is B into K, C is D into K, E is F into K divided by B plus D plus F. Take K common, B plus D plus F is equal by B plus D plus F. This and this get cancelled, answer is K. This what I've told right now proved. These are the ratios of sides if they are equal, and that is if we ratio we consider as K, then the sum of the sides is also K. This means A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F is equal to A by B. Clear what I tried to prove?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand what I tried to prove?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
What's the problem?
Ma'am, that the perimeter is equal to the first ratio, right?
Side ratio. Not first, anything.
Any, yeah.
This is a property of ratio proportion. Rishi, not clear yet?
No, ma'am.
Why? What's the problem? What is the first step I done?
Ma'am, you took the ratios of the sides.
Because the two triangles are similar, they have given.
Yes.
Then
Ma'am, can you just explain again?
what I have done in the second step, you are explaining me now.
Ma'am, you took the ratios as K.
Hmm.
And then you took B that side, D that side, F that side, and A equals BK, C equals DK, and E equals FK.
Hmm.
After that, you took the sum of the sides.
Numerators.
Yes, sum of numerators and sum of denominators. Yes.
Hmm.
After that, you substituted A by BK and C by DK and E by FK.
Hmm.
And then you took K common from the numerator.
Hmm.
And you cancelled out that P plus D plus F and P plus D plus F. You got K.
Hmm. So what is the sum of all the sides ratio?
K.
What was the earlier ratio?
A by B.
That is
No,
equal
sorry,
to
no, sorry. K itself.
K. Both are equal.
Yes.
So can I equate all of them?
Yes.
So what is A plus C plus E? What
A.
is, no, A plus C plus E means what?
Perimeter.
Perimeter of the first triangle
Yes.
by,
Perimeter of second triangle.
that is the same ratio as the side ratio. The perimeter ratio is equal to any corresponding side ratio.
Yes. Okay, got it. I got it.
Is it 5.4 centimeters?
Yeah. Any other doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do we have to prove this each time we get such questions, or we can directly write the
No,
statement
perimeter you
and?
have to prove. Perimeter you have to prove. Perimeter ratio.
Okay, ma'am.
But this question will be there for MCQ only, so no need to prove. Directly you can take.
Okay, ma'am.
If they give like for 2 or 3 marks, then we should prove, right?
Yes, you have to do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I had a doubt. So, ma'am, we did the fifth question earlier.
Hmm.
I was confused about how, in like what order you have to take each triangle.
Name of the triangle.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you have to first take the names of vertices, angles equal. That is important. You have written ABD triangle, right? In that you know D angle D is equal to angle D. You have shown. So in place of D, D should come.
Okay, ma'am.
Now angle B you have shown equal to C. So what is the position of B in the first angle? Second position, middle position. So in middle position of B, C should come.
Okay, ma'am.
And then the two angles are known. So now third angle, write it in its own position, which is left out position. Third one.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So angle equality, you have to check it. In place of the equal vertex, the equal vertex should come.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then continue with 6.4 exercise.
Ma'am, is this the first question on that exercise?
We have started already. 5 done. This is 6th one.
Okay, ma'am.
Try. This is easy. Got it? How to do?
Ma'am, I know how to do. I'm doing it.
Okay. Others? Half
Yeah,
of
ma'am.
same question you have solved already. You have to show ABD and PQM triangle similar. Two triangles ABC and PQR are similar. Proof ABD.
I got it.
Yes, PQR are similar. You have to prove it. Then by similarity, you can say AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. And then area of similar triangle ratio is equal to square of AB by PQ. So in place of AB by PQ, substitute AD by PM. That's it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the sixth question, is it already given that ABC is similar to PQR?
Yeah, it is given two similar triangles. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to. They have
Okay.
given which triangles are similar.
So, ma'am, the word described here means embedded, right?
Present.
Okay.
So that area of equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. That means the square first draw. So one triangle is drawn on the side of it. One equilateral triangle is drawn on the side. That means what? The side of the square is equal to side of this equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. This is the diagonal. Another triangle is present on diagonal. That means diagonal is one of the side of that triangle. So this is A, B, C, D. This is E and this is F. So we have to show this equilateral triangle. BC is area BCE by area ACF is equal to 1 by 2. BCE is half of ACF area. Area of triangle BC is half of area of triangle ACF that we have to prove. How can we prove? These are equilateral triangles. All angles are
All angles are equal of both triangles.
all angles are equal. So therefore two triangles are
Similar.
similar triangles. Triangle BCE similar to triangle ACF, right? By AA similarity. All angles of equilateral triangles are equal. So therefore, area of BCE and area of ACF is equal to BC by AC whole square. If BC, if you consider A, then AB will be
A.
A.
AC. It is a square.
A. No? Okay, not A.
2a square.
Root of no A no root 2A.
Root 2A by Pythagoras theorem. So A by root 2A whole square. A get cancelled. 1 by 2. 2. Try the next question after that.
This is MCQs,
Yeah,
but we should like justify it or something.
you have to show it.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Ma'am, can you show the diagram?
It's anywhere you have to draw. There's only relation you have to use it. Draw ABC first. B is the midpoint. Then draw BDC anywhere. Draw it below BD, BC. First answer. This much time is needed for this question?
Ma'am, is it 4 by 1?
Yeah, obviously. Why it is the question mark for that? BC by BD ratio. BC is 2BD. 2BD by BD. That is 2. BD BD get cancelled. 2 by 1 whole square. That is 4:1. What's the answer of ninth one?
D.
Ma'am, 16 by 81.
16 to 81.
16 by 81. Next question. Really. This is extra and very important question. They've asked this question multiple times. School also asked, every school has asked this question. MSQ and MTR triangles are congruent triangles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Then prove that triangle PTS and PRQ are similar. How can we show? Any idea?
Ma'am, could we show either of either of the angles PST is equal to PQR somehow?
Mhm. We have to use SAS similarity. You can show that, but it is very long.
Ma'am, SQ is equal to TR, right?
No.
No.
Yes.
And SN equals TM.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think if we extend ST by both sides, angle one will be vertically opposite to the other one, like the after
Sides
extend.
are not parallel.
Oh,
SP and QR are not parallel. Here, angle Q and angle R are equal. Angle PQR and angle PRQ are equal because
Ma'am,
angle Q is the part of NQS triangle and R is a part of MTR.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle Q is equal to angle R by CPCT. So if angle Q and angle R is equal, then PQ is equal to PR.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
and 2 are equal, so therefore PT is equal to PS.
Yes, ma'am.
PS is equal to PT when angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle Q is equal to angle R. So therefore PQ is equal to PR. Take the ratios of these two. They should be equal. PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. And angle A is common. Angle P, sorry. Angle P is common.
Ma'am, so we can say that ST is parallel to QR, right?
Yeah. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
after writing that ST is parallel to QR, then we should prove it by,
Why it is ST by? You already got the side ratio.
yeah, after that only we got that ST is parallel to QR, right?
But it is not needed, no. Why? You already got the two side ratio and angle P is common.
Oh, okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Directly assess similarity to show that two triangles are similar. PS of smaller triangle, PQ of larger triangle ratio, PT of smaller triangle, PR of larger triangle ratio are equal and angle P is common in both the triangles. So therefore triangle PST and PQR are similar. Highlight this question in your notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what did you say just now?
Highlight this question in your notebook.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is why revising you all revise this question also. That is an exemplar question. The line segment XY is parallel to AC. Earlier done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So XY and AC are parallel. And it divides, the line XY divides the triangle into two equal areas. The triangle ABC is divided into two equal areas. That means area of BXY is equal to area of AXYC. Then find the ratio AX by AB. AX by AB ratio we have to calculate. Now they are told this area and this areas are equal. So both of them becomes area of BXY is equal to area of AXYC. Let that be X. So what is area of ABC?
2x.
2x.
2x. So area of BXY by area of ABC is equal to
1/2.
1 by 2. Now XY is parallel to AC. So can you show BXY and BAC similar? Is it possible to prove?
Ma'am, because they're parallel, so the ratio of the sides will be equal and angle B is common.
So this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles. So by A criteria, two triangles are similar. So therefore, area of BXY by area of BAC is equal to BX by BA whole square, right? Is it yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 1 by 2 by BX by BA whole square. So what is the value of BX by BA?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. So BX by full side AB we got it. But what we need? AX by AB. So instead of BX we need AX and the full side ratio is needed. So for that, consider now this is a ratio. What is the value of BX then? 1x AB root 2x we will get. So what is then AX?
Root 2x minus x.
AB minus BX, right? AB minus BX, that is equal to root 2x minus x. So x into bracket root 2 minus 1 is the value of AX. Now they are asking the ratio of AX by AB. X into root 2 minus 1 by root 2x. This is cancelled. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is the ratio we got. but denominator is irrational. So rationalize it. 2 minus root 2 by 2 is the ratio. Is this clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, so we have to rationalize it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, next question.
Next question, yes, 16 question of RD. D is the midpoint of BC of triangle ABC. AD is bisected at point E. BE produced cuts AC at point X. Prove that B is to EX is 3 to 1. You have already. I'm not writing the question. A, B, C. D is the midpoint of BC. AD is bisected at point E. BE is produced cuts AC at X. Prove that BE is to EX. No, sorry, BE is to EX, right? Is equal to 3 is to 1. BE is to EX is 3 is to 1. Last year, this kind of a one question you have solved. The same extension of that same question. Okay. You have to take the line through D parallel to BX. Take DY. construction dy parallel to bx. This kind of a question last year you have solved. Midpoint theorem. Not in NCERT, other book. So here, what can we use? Now, how can we use this?
Ma'am, since it's parallel, the corresponding angles and angle C, so therefore those two will be similar.
So that is what we did here. Needed it. Not right now. First, we have to prove ax, xy, and yc. How will we do it?
First, we can write Cy by Ya equals CD by DB
Dy by
Ya.
y by which triangle you are considering?
Yx
Cy by yx is equal to
CD by DB,
cd by dv. D is
midpoint of BC.
so
So we can write it as 2DC or 2BD.
directly here you can tell that is b is midpoint. Dy parallel to bx. So y is midpoint of cx.
Okay, ma'am.
So cy by cx you will get yx you will get. After that, take this triangle ADY. In that E is midpoint of AD. EX is parallel to DY. Therefore, X is midpoint of AY. So that means AX is equal to XY. AX is equal to XY and XY is equal to CY. So therefore, AX is equal to XY is equal to CY. Three sides equal to 2. That means AX is 1/3 of AC. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to prove that.
Ma'am, have they given ABC as an equilateral triangle?
No.
Sorry, this thing, isosceles triangle.
DE is to EX. And this part is medium. Yes, directly this much is also not needed. Here D and D is midpoint, dy is parallel to bx. So value of dy is in terms of bx it is
Half of BX.
half of bx. This part is actually not needed. And then E is midpoint, ex parallel to dy. So ex is equal to
Half of BY.
half of dy. So ultimately it equal to dy is half of bx. So half into half of bx. So that is 1/4 of bx is ex. So ex by bx is equal to 1/4. Is this clear?
Ma'am, why did you take half into half BX?
Dy value substituted. Value of dy is half of bx.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
I need the be and ex relation. So I right now I got ex and bx relation. How I will get the b value? Ex by bx is 1:4.
B is B is BX minus EX.
B is equal to bx minus ex. Bx is 4x and ex is x. That is equal to 3x. So ex is equal to 1x and bx is equal to 4x. You always try to use the ratio in this form, then everything will be much more easier. So be by ex is equal to 3x by x, that is ratio is 3:1. Done. It's clear?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, how is EX half of DY?
ADY triangle. E is midpoint of AD. EX is parallel to DY.
Okay.
Midpoint theorem. So you have to write that. I have written only shortcut. Everything you have to mention which triangle, which midpoint theorem where you have used. But everything you have to write down. I only told you the method.
Ma'am, next question.
What?
Next question.
Done. Thanks, ma'am. Your homework, finish this full exercise. Remaining questions. 25. 10 more. No, 9 more questions. Homework, 9 more questions of the same exercise. RD.
Okay, ma'am.
Math, science.